Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on my new Kenda Bear Claw HTR tires that I got for my 2017 Can Am Outlander. I do most of my riding alone, and I like to go pretty far from home, so as soon as I got a flat tire on the original tires, I swapped them out for something better. Did a lot of research. Now keep in mind, I'm not a mud guy. I just like to kind of explore and go on all kinds of different trail types. I do go into mud, but nothing extreme like I'm sure a lot of you do. So this is only my second ride, but I couldn't find very many reviews on this tire online, like on the trail kind of thing. These are a follow-up tire to the Bear Claw originals, so there's a lot of deep groove on them. They're 8-ply, so I don't have to worry about getting a flat tire as much as I would with something less. So far, this tire is phenomenal. Again, I've only done maybe 50 kilometers on them, but so far they're amazing. Now, having said that, a couple things I have noticed is that the front tires are certainly flatter and a little wider than the originals because they didn't come in my original size. They're like 1 inch wider or something. What I have noticed is that there's a lot more, I feel the ground a lot more through the handlebars. And when you hit water with these, it's like a tsunami. They throw up a lot of water in front of them. And if I am going through mud, the back tires just kind of, they work away. If I'm in two-wheel drive, it seems like the back tires have a lot harder time to push the bike through because of these wider tires. But when I put it in four-wheel drive, it's like driving on dry pavement. I mean, the grip on these tires are absolutely incredible. So anyway, I just thought I'd throw up a quick video in case any of you are thinking of buying this tire. For my kind of riding, which is all kinds of stuff, it's a phenomenal tire. If you have any questions, don't be shy to drop me a line. Have a great day, everyone.